Until now, it's very calm. Hopefully, the participation will be one where you can say you can be satisfied. That's for me the first question. Everything else is okay. Of course, we have seen that some people wanted to vote and their identity was expired, so they had to go home to take their passport to show that they are allowed to vote. But everything is in a way where you can say we are really satisfied, and I think it's very important for North Macedonia to show that everything is okay, because we want to see North Macedonia in the European Union. And so it's very important that you can say rule of law is really expected and respected.